Hello. In this session, we're going to talk about using ZTEdge web isolation in conjunction with DNS over HTTPS. Using DNS over HTTPS or DoH has some advantages. Firstly, the DNS traffic is encapsulated over standard HTTPS using port 443. Using this method means that the transmitted data is completely hidden from hackers, which means it's impossible to intercept or alter the data in any way. In addition, this allows you to configure the browser to integrate with SWG without altering either the machine or the browser's proxy settings. In this case, I'm going to show you an example of using Firefox with DoH enabled and connect to our ZTEdge web isolation platform. So in this part of the demonstration, I have the browser configured to use DNS over HTTPS. I also have policies defined in our Zero Trust web isolation platform that dictates how web pages are going to render within this browser. So let's take a look at a few examples. So the first site here is an example of a whitelisted website. The second example is the BBC site, which has just been configured to go to isolation. So that's an individual website or a category that's defined as a site that should be isolated. Another example is a site that's been identified on the ZTE platform as high risk. So this could be a phishing site or just a site that has a high risk score. So you can see in this case it's being identified as high risk, and as such it's set the page to read-only mode. So here the user can see the page, but if they try and type into the page, they will receive a message to say that this action is being restricted. So if the user visits a web page that's been blocked, they would see a block page like this. So you can see there anything that's gambling or lottery is blocked. So blocks can be set on category based on categories or an individual URL. For more information, please contact Ericom or visit zerotrustedge.com.
ZTEdge, the simple, affordable way to move to zero trust security.